Hello everyone, welcome to our new video and a new lesson on the Think Students Book series A2. Think 1 and let's get started. Adjectives, we have this exercise. Look at the pictures, read the sentences and write the names under the people. So let's read the sentences and then we'll go back and see the pictures. The first one, Nick is intelligent. He knows a lot about everything. Amelia is cheerful. She's always got a smile on her face. Kay is jealous. He's not happy when you talk to other friends. Ben is helpful. He is always ready to help you. Robbie is confident. She's not scared to talk in public. Liz is generous. She is always happy to share her things with you. Chloe is easygoing. She never gets angry about anything. And Connor is funny. He always makes me laugh. So we have Nick is intelligent, and there is an explanation for each of these words. So intelligent, he knows a lot about everything. Cheerful, she has always got a smile on her face. That means she's always smiling. Like Kay is jealous, you know what's jealous. He's not happy when you talk to other friends. He doesn't like his friend to talk to other people he doesn't know, so he's so jealous. Ben is helpful. He is always ready to help you. And Robbie is confident. She's not scared to talk in public. And Liz is generous. She's always happy to share her things with you. Chloe is easygoing. She never gets angry about anything. Yeah. And the last one, Connor is funny. He always makes me laugh. So let's go back and see the pictures and let's figure out which one is number 1. So number 1 we can see so that the blonde girl, she spilled water on her clothes and she says it's okay, don't worry. That now I guess we're talking about the easygoing Chloe. So number 1 is Chloe. Number 2, this girl she has a very big smile and she's happy. So in your opinion, who are we talking about? So now we are talking about the cheerful girl. She's always cheerful. Her name is Amelia. Number 2 is Amelia. And number 3, this guy is helping his teacher, and the teacher, she says thank you. I guess we're talking about our helpful guy. Our helpful guy is Ben. Ben is helpful. He is always ready to help you. And number 4, our intelligent friend. So I guess he knows a lot about math and not about everything. So it's Nick. Number 4 is Nick. He's the intelligent who knows. He knows a lot about everything. Number 5, so we can see this girl is sharing her food with her friend. So I guess we're talking about the generous Liz. Liz is number 5. Liz is so generous, or is generous. She is always happy to share her things with you. And number 6 is the guy who makes everybody laugh. Who is he? Is Connor. Number 6 is Connor. Connor is funny. He always makes me laugh. And number 7 It looks like these two guys are talking happily and the other one is so angry. This is our jealous friend. His name is K. K is jealous. K is number 7. And the last one, of course, is the confident girl, or her name is Robbie. So let's go here. I already made this for you. So please take note of this. We have a full explanation for intelligent, cheerful, jealous, helpful, confident, generous, easygoing, and funny, to use them as personality adjectives. So, our lesson came to an end. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.